Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach 10th standard contents. Make use of it. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you. Good morning students. Today we are going to see about relation. Okay. Here definition of relation is let A and B be two any non-empty sets. A and B. You see some elements are there from A and B. Here a relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B. A cross B means what? Ordering pair. Okay. Satisfying some specified conditions. Okay. If X belongs to A is related to Y belongs to B. That means here some elements, that elements belongs to A is related to Y belongs to B through R. Then we write it as X related to Y. X related to Y means what is the condition? If and only if X comma Y, that is ordered pair, belongs to R. Okay. We see one example. So here A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B Mati, Arul, John, that elements. Here domain is what? X belongs to A such that X related to Y. Whatever the X related to Y, that is the domain. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Okay, domain equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 only. And what is the codomain of the relation R is B? What are the elements here? Codomain. So Mati, Arul and John. What are the range? Range of the relation is Y belongs to B such that X related to Y only. Okay. So what are that here related? Mati, Arul, John. Okay. That is the range. Clear students? Next, see the example. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 7 and B equal to 3, 0, minus 1, 7. Here, the question is which of the following are relation from A to B? So, we have to see here which one is related for this. Okay. So, given R1 equal to relation 1 equal to 2, 1, 7, 1. That means that elements 2 in A and 1 in B. Okay. It is, if it is related, you tell it is a function. If it is not related, you tell it is not a function. So we verify with two methods. So A cross B also you can write. You can write it the ordered pair, that is 1, 3, 1, 0, 1, minus 1. Previously discussed, no, exercise 1.1, A cross B. Okay. That method also you can use. 1, 7, again 2, 3, 2, 0, 2, minus 1, 2, 7, 3, 3, 3, 0, 3, minus 1, 3, 7 and 7, 3, 7, 0, 7, minus 1, 7, 7. In this A cross B, if it is these ordered pairs are there, you tell it as it is a function, but it is not at all belongs to A cross B. Here you see, not at all belongs. So it is not a relation. You can find out another method also. Here that B, it is 1. Okay, but in that set 1 is not at all present. Therefore, you can simply write it as 1 does not belongs to B. Okay. Here also you write it. Therefore, R1 is not a relation from A to B. Clear, students? Next, second subdivision, R2 equal to minus 1 comma 1. That means if we check that numbers or elements belongs to A or not. First you check it minus 1. Minus 1 is not at all there. So minus 1 does not belongs to A. Therefore R2 is not a relation from A to B. Okay. Shall we go to next one? Okay. Third one. R3 equal to 2 comma minus 1, 7 comma 7, 1 comma 3. Shall we check? 2 comma minus 1, 1 comma 3 and 7 comma 7. Okay, it's there. Yes, it is a relation from A to B. Okay. Next, fourth one. R4 equal to 7 comma minus 1, 0 comma 3, 3 comma 3, 0 comma 7. First you check it. 7 comma minus 1, 7 comma minus 1. Okay. 0 comma 3, 0 does not belongs to A. Therefore, it is not a relation. Okay. Clear, students? Next example. A equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 up to 45. Here R be the relation. R is the relation that is defined is square of 1A. So we have to write it R as a subset of A cross A. Also find the domain and range of R. First A equal to, you write the elements. And what is A cross A? That is 1 to 45. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 45. So you related 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2. You don't want to do it all. And next R, what is the condition? Square of. That means that the domain is related to the square of the element. So 1, what is the square? 1, 2, 4, 3, 9. 4, 60, and up to that 45, what are the square numbers? You tell it. 16 after 25 and 36 after 49 only. So you don't take it as. So R equal to, what are the ordered pairs? 1 comma 1, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 9, 4 comma 16, 5 comma 25 and 6 comma 36. Here, what we find out here? R is the proper subset of A cross C. Okay. I will explain about proper subset after this. So we have to find out domain. Domain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. Because we are relating only up to 6. And range. What are the related? That is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Clear? Okay. Next, recall proper subset. That means A and B, two sets. A is the subset of B, that is A is not equal to B. That is a proper subset. Okay. So A given and B is also given. Here A is the proper subset of, some elements are only in A. That is A is the proper subset of B. Okay. So you recall this, but you write it in exam this only. Clear, students? Next sum. A relation R is given by the set bracket of x comma y such that y equal to x plus 3, x belongs to 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 closing bracket. Determine its domain and range. So R relation, what are the condition here? X comma y such that y equal to x plus 3. We have to substitute the value of x. So x belongs to what elements? 0. So we substitute x equal to 0, 0 plus 3, 3. 1, 1 plus 3, 4. That is y. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. So what are the relation? Ordered pair. Keep it in mind. Ordered pair. 0, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7 and 5, 8. What is the domain? First element. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Range, what are the related one? That is y here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood? Next question. Represent each of the given relations by an arrow diagram, graph and set in roster form wherever possible. So condition is x comma y such that x equal to 2y. That is a condition. So x belongs to, that is 2, 3, 4, 5. And y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to apply this condition. Okay. So now y equal to 1. That implies, that means here 2 into 1 x equal to 2. So related 2, 1. And next y equal to 2, 2 into 2 4, x equal to 4. That is the relation 4, 2. Other numbers you see, y equal to 3 means 2 into 3, 6. But in that here it is not there. So that's why they are giving here wherever possible. So we related 2, 1 and 4, 2 only. That is the roster form. Okay. So how will you plot in graph? First element is x, second element in y. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x axis, here y axis. So 2, 1. X is 2 and y is 1. 2, 1. And x is 4 and y is 2. Okay. Understood, students? Next is subdivision. Second, x comma y such that y equal to x plus 3. Okay. And x comma y are natural numbers less than 10. So here also x equal to 1 to 9. Here also 1 to 9. So condition is x plus 3. So 1 plus 3 equal to 1, 4. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 3, 9. So you relate 1, 4, 2, 5 and 3, 6, 4, 7 and 5, 8 and 6, 9. That is the roster. So as usual you plot it x 1 to 9 elements. You plot it. Here also y 1 to 9. So first element is x. So 1, 4 and 2, 5 and 3, 6. Okay. Like that you plot it. Clear, students? Next, statement sum. A company has 4 categories of employees given by assistants. They represent A, clerks C and managers M and executive officer E. The company also provide rupees 10,000, 25,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh as salaries to the people who work in the categories. That is A, there are 5 members, A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. C, C1, C2, C3, C4, 4 members. And M, M1, M2, M3, 3 members. Executive officer E, E1 and E2. So 10,000 they are providing related to these category and 25,000 C category and 15,000 related to M and 1 lakh related to. So our question is R is defined by X related to Y, where X is the salary given to person Y we have to express the relation R through an ordered pair. So it's easy only. Ordered pair, you tell it 10,000 comma A1, 10,000 comma A2 and 10,000 comma A3 and 10,000 comma A4, 10,000 comma A5. Next 25,000 comma C1, 25,000 comma C2, 25,000 comma C3 and 25,000 comma C4. Next 50,000 comma M1, 50,000 comma M2 and 50,000 comma M3. Next 1 lakh comma E1 and 1 lakh comma E2. Okay. Next we will see some objective sums. Here n of a cross b equal to 6 and a equal to 1 comma 3. That is n of a equal to 2. Then n of b equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. Okay. A equal to 3 elements here. B 2 and C equal to PQRS. Then n of A union C. First you do it A union C into B. B means what? A comma 2, A comma 3, B comma 2, B comma 3, P comma 2, P comma 3, Q comma 2, Q comma 3, R comma 2, R comma 3 and S comma 2, S comma 3. So how many ordered pairs? Count and write it. It is 12. Okay. Next A equal to 1 comma 2, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, C equal to 5 comma 6 and D equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Then which statement is true? So first we have to find out A cross C is proper subset of B cross D. So A cross C means what? 2 into 2, 4. B cross D, 4 into 4, 16. It is also true. That first statement is true. You don't want to see that other options. Okay. Clear? Next sum, if there are 1024 relations from S at A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to S at B, then the number of elements in B. So n of A equal to 5 and n of B don't know, that is we keep it at x. So n of A cross B equal to 1024, our formula is 2 power mn. So here 2 power AB, you keep it as. So 2 power means we have to do it L division, you get it 2 to the power 10. So 2 to the power 5x equal to 2 to the power 10. Our rule is bases are equal, we have to equalize the power. So 5x equal to 10, x equal to 2. Clear? Next, the range of the relation R equal to x comma x squared. What is x? Prime number less than 30. What are the numbers? 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 11. So what is the square number? 4, 3 square 9, 25, 49 and 120. So which option? Okay, third option. Clear? Shall we go to the next? Okay. If the ordered pairs A plus 2 comma 4 and 5 comma 2A plus B are equal, then A comma B. So only equate is A plus 2 equal to 5 means A equal to 5 minus 2, 3, and 2A plus B equal to 4 means substitute A value 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus B equal to 4, B equal to 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2. Okay. First you learn and write the contents in your notes, students. I hope you will learn it. We will see in the next class. Thank you, students.